Carbide Burr die grinder tool bits, made right here in the USA, are among the most versatile and powerful tools any craftsman, hobbyist, or professional can keep in their toolkit. Renowned for their exceptional durability and precision, these bits are designed to handle even the toughest materials, from metals and woods to plastics and stone. But today, let's focus on a creative application that's especially relevant as Halloween approaches, using carbide burrs to create detailed eye designs for your spooky projects. When it comes to crafting realistic or fantastical eyes, whether you're working on custom masks, pumpkin carvings, or unique sculptures, the right tool makes all the difference. Our USA-made carbide burr die grinder tool bits are engineered for precision, allowing you to carve out intricate features with ease. For creating detailed eye designs, we recommend starting with a small flame-shaped burr. This particular shape is ideal for achieving the sharp lines and subtle curves that bring eye shapes to life, from eerie cat-like slits to deeply hollowed-out sockets. Begin by outlining the general shape of your eye design on your chosen material. With your die grinder fitted with a small flame-shaped carbide burr, gently trace the outline, applying consistent pressure and letting the tool do the work. The sharp, tapered point of the flame burr allows you to create fine details, such as the tight corners and dramatic angles of a cat's eye, or the smooth, rounded edge of a human or monster's eye socket. If you're aiming for a hollowed-out look, gradually deepen the socket, carefully moving the burr in small, controlled motions. This technique gives you complete control over the depth and dimension, ensuring that your design remains crisp and clean. The durability of our carbide burrs means you can work smoothly through dense materials without worrying about dulling or chipping. Whether you're carving into hard woods for a wooden mask, or shaping foam, resin, or even metal for more advanced projects, these tool bits maintain their edge and efficiency throughout the process. Their precise cutting action also helps minimize unwanted chipping or tearing, which is especially important when you're working on detailed features like eyes. For added realism, consider using the flame-shaped burr to carve subtle lines around the eye, suggesting wrinkles, eyelids, or furrows. You can also experiment with varying the pressure and angle of your grinder to achieve different textures, perhaps a smooth, glassy surface for a lifelike eyeball, or a rough, jagged edge for a more monstrous effect. The versatility of these carbide burrs allows for endless creativity, making them perfect for both beginners and seasoned artisans. Cleaning up your work is just as straightforward. Thanks to the superior quality of our USA-made carbide burrs, you'll find that your cuts are clean, requiring minimal sanding or finishing. This not only saves you time, but also ensures your finished piece looks professional and polished. So, whether you're preparing for a Halloween display, creating custom decorations, or just exploring new artistic techniques, our carbide burr die grinder tool bits are your go-to choice for precision and durability. Don't be afraid to experiment with different shapes and sizes of burrs to achieve the effect you want. Each one opens up new possibilities for your projects. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more creative ideas, tool demonstrations, and expert advice. And we'd love to hear from you. Leave your Halloween comments below. Tell us about your spooky projects, share your own tips for detailed designs, or let us know what you'd like to see next. Happy carving, and have a fantastic Halloween.